we're going to explain how to save a JSON file. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format. It's easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. Saving JSON data correctly is crucial for many applications, from web development to data analysis. Here's how you can do it, broken down into steps. 1. Choosing your programming language. The method for saving a JSON file varies slightly depending on your programming language. We'll cover Python and JavaScript, two popular choices. Python offers a straightforward approach using the JSON module, while JavaScript leverages built-in methods. 2. Creating your JSON data. Python. In Python, you first need to create a Python dictionary or list representing your data. The structure will be converted into JSON format. For example, let's say you have data about a person. Person data equal name, Alice, age, 30, city, New York. Using the JSON module, Python. The JSON module provides functions to work with JSON data. JSON dump function writes JSON data to a file. You'll need to open a file in write mode, view, and then use JSON dump to write the data. For instance, with openperson.json, u as f, json.dumpPersonData f indent. The indent for argument adds indentation for readability. If you omit this, the JSON will be written on a single line, which is less readable but functionally equivalent. Creating your JSON data, JavaScript. In JavaScript, you create a JavaScript object or array holding your data. For instance, let's use the same person data, const person data equal name, Alice, age 30, city, New York, Kias. Stringifying the JSON data, JavaScript. JavaScript's JSON stringify says and method converts a JavaScript object into a JSON string. String can then be written to a file. 6. Saving the JSON string to a file, JavaScript. This requires using asynchronous file system methods, typically with a promise or async, await. Exact syntax depends on your environment, e.g., browser or Node.js. In a browser environment, you generally can't directly write to the file system for security reasons, while Node.js provides this capability. Simplified example, Node.js, would look something like this, using the fs module. Const fs equals require fs promises, const JSON string equal JSON string if I person data null 4, await fs write file person JSON JSON string 7. Error handling. In both Python and JavaScript, always include error handling to catch potential issues, such as file I/O errors. In Python, this often involves try-except blocks, and in JavaScript, it involves try-catch blocks or handling promise rejections. Verifying your JSON file. After running the code, open the person JSON file to make sure your data was saved correctly in the JSON format. You should see neatly formatted JSON data representing the information you provided. Remember to always handle potential errors appropriately in a production environment. This ensures your program doesn't crash if something goes wrong when trying to save the file.